Hey guys, so we're finally here in Panglao Island in Bohol, and we're here at our hotel, Azul de Panglao. Let's go. So that's the main lobby over there. I'm guessing that's the restaurant over there. We have a nice swing here, and this is the lobby. Look at that. There's a nice cafe over there, and there's our counter. In here we have a nice pool. Look at that. Wow, lovely. On the second floor we have more rooms. We have the poolside room over there. There's a small reading area over here, and then look at this. A nice bar. We have more rooms over there. So this is the second floor. I'm guessing this is where we would eat our breakfast tomorrow. So yeah, it's spacious and it's clean. It's super nice. So this is our room, room 21. Let's go. Wow. Oh, check out this room. It's so gorgeous. Nice girl. It's small, but it feels really comfortable. So we have the key card here. For, you know, key card. Okay. So you have the key card slot here, and then let's turn on the lights. Look at that. So guys, I'm gonna give you a quick tour. So we got 2 beds in this room. It's a double bed, so it's really nice. So we got 2 beds. Over here we got the TV. We got the remotes over here. We have free water. And then we got this nice desk. There's a fan over there. There's a lamp. There's a small mirror. And check this out. We have towels. We got the AC over there. We got more space over here. We got hangers. We got additional, I think that's a rug. And let's check out the bathroom. Let's turn it on. Wow, look at that. We got a small sink, a nice mirror. And look at this wooden shelf and the shower. And there's a bidet, so it's always good. Nice. This looks really nice. So overall, it's a pretty nice room. So guys, we're finally settled in. There's my roommate, Carlo. Hi, Carlo. Say hi.
Hi, love.
And we're gonna rest for a bit, and our call time is about 5:30 for dinner. So we got all the time. It's 3:45. We got all the time to, you know, just relax, sleep, and do whatever. And I'm so excited for dinner tonight. It's gonna be in somewhere here in Panglao, probably along in Alona Beach. Well, the entire area ba ng Alona, right?
Yeah.
So probably in Alona, or probably in sa Mist again. So anyway, we're very excited. Magpagutom, and yeah, see you later.